Greetings, and welcome back to this channel where every day we have a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. I hope you've been blessed by the reading so far. Remember to click the like button and leave a comment below. Tell us what you think about the reading, and of course, share it with a friend or more. Now we're doing a series on the teachings of Jesus. And it is so important to hear what Jesus said, because he said his words are life and they are spirit. So anyway, yes, if you haven't subscribed yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning per YouTube.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 10 from verse 25 to verse 37. You might know this as the Good Samaritan. One law teacher turn up for test Jesus. Teacher, he asks, what me fi do fi live forever? Jesus asks him, what the law say? Where you get from it? The man say, you fi love the Lord where fear God. You fi love him with all of your heart. Love him with the whole of your soul. Love him with all of your strength and with the whole of your mind. And you feel love your neighbor, same like how you love yourself. Jesus said to him, say, you answer right. Do that and you will live. For making himself feel good, the man asked Jesus one next question. So, who am my neighbor? Jesus answered him, say, one man left Jerusalem and did a go at Jericho. Pan the way, some thief hold him up. Them take away all we him have, beat him, nearly kill him, and left him there for dead. One priest did a go down the same road, and when him buck up on the man, him cross and go walk on the next side. One man will help take care of God's house come at the same place and see the man too. But him cross go walk on the next side too. But one man will come from Samaria did a travel on the same road. When he reach which part the man there and see him feel sorry for him. So him go over to the man, throw olive oil and wine pan him cut them and band them up. Then him put the man pan him own a donkey, carry him go and guest house and take care of him. The next morning, he give the owner for the guest house 2 silver coin and say, take care of him. And when me come back, me will give you back any money where you spend for look after him. Then Jesus asked the law teacher, say, you see the man with the thief them beat up? Which one of the 3 people them you think I did him neighbor? Him say, the one will help him. So Jesus say, go on, go do the same thing. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.